Hey, g'day guys, the season is summer, but anyway, in today's virtual tour, I'm going to show you a trail from the river mouth here in the Taranaki and out towards Te Rewarewa Bridge. I think it's quite a scenic one, so be worth a look. But anyway, here's my intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'll basically do virtual tours and then give it a rating at the end. And yeah, the river mouth to Te Rewarewa Bridge is, I think, is quite a scenic route. So we're going to actually start from, well, actually going to do a drive-through up towards that point, and then we're going to start at the spit point, and then walk all the way out towards Te Rewarewa Bridge. So yeah, should be a fun track. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this trail, please leave a comment below. Thanks guys.
we got to turn around and go back again.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll go out. Wait, help up. Wait.
When your heart is broken, you simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you.
Yeah, so there you have it, guys. That is the Rivermouth Trail, sorry. Rivermouth Trail all the way up to Te Rewarewa Bridge. Yeah, quite a scenic route, like I was saying at the start of this video. But anyway, let's begin our review with the favourites. First favourite, oh, I mean the views, ain't it? Views from the Rivermouth, sorry. Yeah, you can see the current coming through. And then you can see the current sort of like migrating towards Te Rewarewa Bridge, and you can see it shimmering in the sunlight there. I thought that was quite nice. So yeah, the river mouth. That rock point that I was at. You can see Fitzroy Beach on one end, and then you can see the river mouth on the other end. I thought that was quite magic, and the trail leading up there as well, because you can see like really nice views from both ends, Fitzroy Beach and the river mouth. So yeah, oh, absolutely beautiful. Another favourite would be the walk all the way up there. Yeah, the whole experience was really really magic. I mean, that's part of the Coastline Trailway, so you know you can sort of start there, work your way down towards or maybe Back Beach, I think it is. It's quite a long trail, but anyway, yeah. But the trail itself, oh, it's just magic. It's absolutely magic. And lastly, Te Rewarewa Bridge. Yeah, the views from there is always amazing, no matter the season. I think yeah, no matter the season, of course. Yeah, because I think that the design of the bridge kind of blends in well with the nature surroundings. So that's why I say it doesn't matter what season it is. Because from a distance it's really magical. It almost looks like a seashell sort of planted in the sand there. That's how I sort of look at it. But when you get up and close, it's sort of quite trippy, you know what I mean? Sort of you see the fins of the bridge sort of spiraling around, and I'm not even just all I'm doing is just walking straight ahead, and you can see these fins sort of curving over your head. It's kind of spins my head a little bit, but yeah, that's quite funny. But yeah, I think that design is absolutely magic. You can see why people come there a lot, just to take a great photo opportunity. So yeah, dislikes, have none. Rating definitely 5 out of 5. And is it worth doing? Yeah, I think it is. Like I said at the start of this video, I could have just parked at Te Rewarewa car park area and just walk onto the bridge, but no, I just wanted to show you a more scenic route so you can see more of Taranaki, which is absolutely beautiful place. You know, you can see the rugged coastline all the way up to the point, and oh man, it's just amazing. It's like that was like maybe it was about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so you know, you see the sun settling down, and you can see it's sort of like sunlight going over the coastline, stuff like that. Oh man, it's just absolutely magic. But yeah, like I was saying, it's definitely worth it. The trail itself, I think it took about half an hour return, so it's a very short trip, you know, 15 minutes from that point that I started, which is at that pointy end at the river mouth, and walk your way up there. No, sorry, it's 30 minutes one way. Oh, It's got to bloody say. But yeah, 30 minutes one way and 30 minutes back. So yeah. So the track intensity is not that bad. It's very gentle, so it's nice and flat all the way through. And yeah, you can enjoy marvellous views there and back. So yeah, definitely worth it. So there you go, have it guys. That is the Rivermouth Trail to Te Rewarewa Bridge. And yeah, hope you come out here and check it out. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you at the next one, guys. Cheers.